Ford powered Chevy. That's funny. I'll show my Chevy buddies that. Some guy said it's a good conversation piece. It's a Eaton Fuller tranny. Clutch was smoked out of this big eco water truck. And fifth gear was gone. So it's getting a new 5/6 synchronizer. And this is fifth gear. The edge of these teeth are all gone. So it'd go into fifth, but it'd jump out right away. And this is sixth. That's not a lot better. Needs a new input shaft anyway. The pilot bearing wrecked the end of this input shaft, so it's getting a new one of those. New gasket and seal kit, and some new bearings. A couple new bearings I had to pull off. So, kind of interesting. Got this all cleaned up. I'm still waiting for parts. It's spinny. Kind of neat. Big 6-speed. Never done one of these before. So it's kind of fun. Not any different than a big, or than just a small 5-speed or something. Just a lot bigger. Bell housing, shift forks. Take some special tranny fluid that's $200 for 5 gallons. That'll make the guy happy, but oh well, that's what it takes.